After the Lamborghini Aventador, I'm now giving the Huracan a facelift. In contrast to the usual designs, I'm making only minor modifications which resemble a body kit more. Here are the most beautiful designs. The first design got a white and orange paint job, which looks especially good on it. I removed the two small wings from the lower part of the front bumper, making it entirely continuous. I slightly increased the size of the air intake on the side skirt. With this paint job and orange wheel rims, it looks truly stunning. The paint job of this version has become much more subdued. The bottom of the bumper and the side skirt got a black paint job. The biggest change here was made to the bumper, which got a much more aggressive style. I also really like the unique design of the wheel rims. I made quite a few changes to this design. The solution of the bumper became quite unique, which was based on the bumper of Lamborghini Aventador. It got a carbon fiber paint job, and its edge was painted red. This paint job looks really good with the wheel rims. The side skirt got a completely new design, a much bolder solution. I really liked it. For this car, I reworked the bumper from the previous design, making it less Aventador-like. It got wings on the side and inside. I simplified the style of the side skirt, but contrary to the original, it became much larger. This is a much more aggressive design. I abandoned the rounded shapes for the bumper and the side skirt, and they became much more angular. Painted in red, it looks even more aggressive. The front bumper and rear air intake look much better with this new modification. I wanted to make the design even more aggressive, so I abandoned the triangle shape of the lamp. With this change, it looks much better than the original lamp. The red and silver color of the wheel rim is also a hit. I think it's incredibly beautiful, and it would perfectly fit in my garage. This was the last design for today. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most and what kind of video you would like to see on the channel next time. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.